Introducing the QCI-150 Torque Tester, an advanced and user-friendly solution for your torque measurement needs. This versatile tester from Advanced Witness series is designed to provide precise and reliable torque readings, making it an essential tool for various applications. The QCI-150 Torque Tester supports a broad range of tools and torque levels, making it suitable for various industries and tasks. With its single-step access to all functions, the QCI-150 allows users to quickly and easily perform torque measurements, enhancing productivity. Bidirectional accuracy of 1% of the indicated reading ensures precise and reliable torque measurements. The tester offers 8 engineering units of measurement, including lb, in, lb, ft, Newton meters, and more, providing flexibility for different applications. The QCI-150 features 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, to cater to different testing requirements. With a torque range of 15150 lb in and a drive size of 1/4 inch SQ, the QCI-150 is powered by NIM rechargeable batteries, providing 8-10 hours of continuous use. Compact and lightweight, the QCI-150 measures 3.25 L x 3.125 W x 3.75 H and weighs only 2.5 pounds, making it highly portable. Invest in the QCI-150 Torque Tester and experience the ultimate precision and convenience in torque measurement. Its wide range of features, high accuracy, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking reliable torque testing solutions.